So you're thinking about moving to Raleigh, North Carolina and think a master plan community might be for you, but it just might be out of budget? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you that you can live in Wendell Falls for under $400,000, and we're getting after it next. Okay, we're getting started with our first home tour, and remember to stay tuned because we found a home you can buy here in Wendell Falls for under $400,000. But Chris, you know this is one of my absolute favorite homes out here. And these are some tall stairs. I hope I didn't cut you off there.
No, you're good. Yeah, you talk about this one all the time, even how you would even purchase this one or build this one. So,
in fact, I tried to. They sold it out from under me.
They sold it out from under
me. So you are seeing truly my favorite house. Look at this porch.
Yeah, great front porch.
And I love the location of this one because you can walk to all the restaurants and shops over at the Tree Light District. In fact, they're adding even more stuff. So
yep, golf cart ride if you want to have a golf cart as well. So come on in, let's check this one out. So immediately when you come on in, it's immediately open into your living space. So not really a foyer or entryway, but right into your living area. Again, little gas fireplace.
Yeah, and on either side of the fireplace over here, you could do some built-ins over there easily. And I think that is an upgrade that's available.
Absolutely.
Now, Chris, let's get this out of the way. The base price of this home is $400,000.
Right. The base price is $400,000. As this one sits, it's around $480,000. But even still, it's extremely affordable. However, what you want to upgrade, what you don't want to upgrade.
Now, the next one we're going to show, though, is actually $399,000.
Oh, absolutely.
So yeah, this is, man, as you can see, real on-site finished hardwood floors.
Yes.
As you said, you walk right in, you don't really have the foyer. However, you do have a really large living area.
Right.
And this dining area, the way they've done the walls, and
yeah,
I'm talking a lot in this one because I really like this house.
Yeah, this is your favorite, so by all means, go ahead. But too, like, so you have the little bit of a separation, so you can be here at the dining and talk to in the living room or the kitchen. Great space. Again, one large, long area. Into the kitchen area, I like this black countertop.
It is good, and you got the two-tone cabinet, so you've got the gray lower cabinet and the white upper cabinet. It gives it a lot of character, and you do have a pantry over there.
Pantry.
And Chris, to your left, one of the best features, because as realtors, we never know when we're going to be needed, and you got that little office space right there.
A little, and it's out of the way, and you don't have to use a whole entire flex space for it. It's a great little spot, even for the kids to sit there and do homework and everything. And then coming on into this area is going to be a half bath. Well, I just hit the door stopper.
Yeah, it works. But yeah, you got a great half bath there.
Great half bath,
so you don't have guests, up and down the stairs. Because now all the bedrooms are upstairs in this particular.
All the bedrooms upstairs, and a nice back porch area where you can sit as well.
Yep.
So,
and you can screen that in. That's also an option that they didn't choose for this particular model. But when I build mine like this, I will definitely do that because I can't stand those mosquitoes.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, I guess we'll head upstairs.
Let's go show them upstairs. So now coming upstairs, again, you have those hardwood stairs as well. A lot of people really like that. So then you're gonna come on in, you almost have this walkway or runway. So into your laundry, so ceramic tile floor into the laundry area there, and straight on in to the bedroom. Again, look at all this light. You got the wide framing atop, the trim work. Always adds a lot of character.
It does.
Cool fan too.
Absolutely.
It's and then a big walk-in closet there, and then into the bathroom. I really love the white with the black trim on the shower.
Yeah, I mean, this house is not huge.
No.
But it is just well laid out.
It's well laid out.
And it's well designed.
Yeah, well designed, a lot of character, a lot of things you can do with this house.
Absolutely. And I think something you have to consider when you're talking about moving to a master plan community like Wendell Falls.
Right.
The yards are going to be smaller, but you do have a yard. So if you have a dog, there's a place for them to go outside. But Correct. You've got all kinds of walking trails. It's so hard. There's 2 pool areas now.
2 pool areas.
There's walking trails, hiking trails, relaxation areas, workout areas, a gym.
The farmhouse cafe.
Playgrounds.
Yep.
Man, I don't know. Anything you want to do. And you're literally 15 minutes from Raleigh.
15 minutes. And a lot of people don't think that when they think Wendell or in this area, they don't realize. We were just talking to someone, they said the same thing. People don't realize how close you actually are here.
And when this tree light district and the other shopping areas are finished right here on grounds, 2 million square feet of retail.
2 million square feet. There's a wake med that's open right now.
Yep.
So secondary bedroom here, and then coming into, so you're coming up the stairs into the full bath here.
Check that out. So this will be the bath for the two.
The bath for the 2 bedrooms.
Yeah, small but adequate.
Right. And then kind of a corner-ish bedroom. This one is a little bit bigger than the other secondary bedroom, but I really like this space.
Well, I mean, it goes without saying that, I'm gonna get in the picture here. I absolutely love this floor plan, but stay tuned because we're gonna show you a home that you can buy for $399,000 in Wendell Falls. We now interrupt this program to remind you to like and subscribe. Now back to the show. Okay, so we're here at the one we promised you, $399,000 for beautiful new construction in Wendell Falls. And Chris, I really like this house.
Yeah, and I think that you guys are gonna like it just as much as we do. This house has it all. It's beautiful inside and out. But before we even go on in, Chris, show them this front porch.
I'll tell you, yeah, I'll swing you around here. And I want to tell you something, and I'm going to keep moving because I want you to see, if you look off this front porch, this is a natural area. It's not going to be developed. I really like this street and this neighborhood.
Yeah, because not everyone likes to look out their front door and see another house, so that's a great option.
Yeah, and I feel like that was a drawback to part of the new section here at Wendell Falls until it's fully developed. But, you know, it's a little tight. But this particular street, this is the one I'd choose.
Absolutely. Well, let's go show them the inside.
All right.
So immediately when you come on in, you notice the dining area, and I love the taller wainscoting that's in here. To me, I just really like the height of it.
It is. It's something I noticed too about this, and you mentioned it. Everything here is a lighter, brighter color. With these smaller floor plans, I think that really works well, and the tall ceilings help too.
Yeah, and I mean, watching our videos, you know that I'm a sucker for the lighter colors. It just makes you feel happier when you come in too, and it makes it brighter.
It does. Now, this has got a really good open floor plan as well.
So you come on into the kitchen, nice subway tile backsplash, the cabinets, the big center island. It really gives you that farmhouse style look as well. And again, the light colors.
It does, and we mentioned it a lot. It's open, and comment down below, do you prefer the open floor plan? Because we're seeing a trend, some builders are going back to more compartmentalized.
Right.
I prefer, personally, the open floor plan.
Oh, absolutely.
And swing around, Chris, let's show them that. Yeah. You do have a pantry in here. I'm gonna get on the other side.
You got a pantry here, and stainless steel. This is a gas range as well, stove. And you notice too, you don't really see a whole lot like the chrome color accessories, but I really like that. It pops on this light color. Yeah, you typically are seeing like the brushed nickel in the builder grade homes. Right. But yeah, that chrome's a nice touch. And I mean, great light fixtures. Yep. This is a McNeil Burbank home. We've sold several of their homes to our clients that move in from across the country. And I can't say enough good. We actually have a custom build for one of our clients moving here from Ohio, and they are doing outstanding. Their project manager, their attention to detail is just fabulous. Top notch, built a great product. And as you see here, I'm standing all the way on the other side of the living room from you. Yeah, that's why I moved to the corner. Yeah. This is a great size living room. Right. And it's not staged, so I'm sure we're echoing quite a bit. But yeah, it's not staged. You got the tall windows. I mean, again, the light colors it brings in, it pops a whole lot more. And Chris, one of my favorite things about this house is the LVP, the wide planks. Y'all know I love wide plank floors, and this has it. Absolutely. Nice big back porch here. Back porch, yep. That we're not going to go out because, like I said, it is really windy today. So we'll spare you all that wind noise. But we will show you that there's a 2-car detached garage, and you're able to, if you want to put a like a wrought iron or an aluminum black fence. So if you have a dog, you can have a small backyard, but you've got that nice 2-car garage. Yep. And a beautiful back porch. And you can screen it in, that is an option, but not on this particular home because this home, as you see it, is $399,000. That's right. And that has in between too, you have the little courtyard area, kind of. And I mean, put your little fire pit out there, that'd be great.
Chris, I think we missed something. Directly behind you,
Half bath.
half bath. There,
Yeah.
This is a 2.5 bath home.
Yes.
So we'll just pop it open. You've all seen half baths before, but we're gonna prove it to you. There's one in there, and there you go.
So you got a pedestal sink and everything. It's really nice. So yeah, 3-bed, 2.5 bath here.
Yeah, because all your bedrooms are upstairs
Yes.
in this particular floor plan. And speaking of that, let's head upstairs.
Let's
Chris.
go. So coming on upstairs, you will notice that these stairs are also carpeted. You do have the option that they can be wood as well.
Yeah, and there's carpet upstairs.
Yep.
Normally you've got your shoes off by that point anyway, but yeah, so you can do LVP upstairs as well. Again, an option, but this one at $399, hey, it's beautiful. And the millwork here.
Absolutely, the wide, again, that farmhouse style. I love the wide trim, wide floors. To me, it just really gives it a whole lot of character in that style look. Now, this is going to be the secondary bedroom, one of the secondary bedrooms as soon as you come up the stairs. And it also has a decent sized walk-in closet here.
It does. Even got a window in that
Yep,
closet.
it's got a little window in there.
Yep, so good storage, nice size.
Right.
This home, just under 1,600 square feet.
Yep.
So it's a good sized bedroom for that square footage.
That's correct. So coming on out to your left is going to be the full bath. So you're going to have a single vanity with a quartz countertop, ceramic tile floors. So again, all great options. Coming back in, you're going to have another secondary bedroom here with another closet.
Pretty similar in size to the other one.
Right.
Now, one thing I noticed, and we've got to say this because we give you the straight shot here.
Right.
The 2 additional bedrooms don't have an overhead light wired. That's something you can add.
That's right.
But I do wonder why they didn't do that. Yeah. Love McNeil Burbank, but that's the one thing I don't get that.
That is one thing. Now this is going to be your laundry, so your washer and dryer there. And then coming on into the primary suite. So you're going to have your walk-in closet here. And again, it's still, it's a good space
It
here.
certainly would fit a king-size bed.
Yeah, absolutely.
And nights, I mean, I don't think there's any question. There's plenty of room for all the furniture.
And they have the overhead light here, so it's pre-wired, so you can put a ceiling fan there if you want to. And then again, coming on into the primary bath, you're going to have dual vanity sink with quartz countertops, tiled shower. It's really nice.
Yep. All right. So if you're thinking about moving to Raleigh, North Carolina and thought Wendell Falls was just out of reach price-wise, think again and give us a call, shoot us a text or send us an email. Choose Crossroads Residential.
This will make it happen.